Eddy Out, riding the currents of English phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that has its roots in the world of water and rivers. Have you ever heard of the term, eddy out? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in conversations. Before we get into the whole phrase, let's understand what an eddy is. In the context of water, especially in rivers and streams, an eddy is a circular movement of water. It forms on the side of a main current, where the water is moving in a different, often opposite direction. Imagine seeing a small whirlpool or a vortex on the side of a river. That's an eddy. Now, when we say, eddy out, we are referring to the act of a person, typically someone in a boat or kayak, moving out of the main current of the river and into one of these eddies. This can be a deliberate action to avoid obstacles, rest, or regroup. For example, a kayaker might eddy out to catch their breath or wait for their friends. Outside of the world of rivers and kayaking, the phrase can also be used metaphorically. When someone says they need to eddy out in everyday conversation, they might mean they need a break or a moment to collect their thoughts. For example, work was so hectic today, I just need to eddy out for a few minutes before we discuss our plans. After that intense workout, let's eddy out at the cafe nearby. And there you have it. Eddy out is a wonderful phrase that showcases the beauty of language and how specific terms from certain activities can make their way into our everyday conversations. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and that you'll find opportunities to use eddy out in your own chats. Until next time, keep riding the currents of language learning.